I don't believe I'm actually seeing this. This is Dibbs in his works van, which, to be honest, he's still on shift, but actually told his employers he was just nipping down to Spa to get some coke in his works van, and here it is, he's sprayed on 73 and he's gonna go for it. Oh no! Oh no! Mick, I don't know if you know the significance of this, but it was actually his works van. Not supposed to be out in the blessed thing anyway. What about this guy? Dibbs, you just said to your governor, I'm nipping down the road, just going to get a bottle of coke, back in 10 minutes, you sprayed a number on it and you've wrecked it.
Never mind, I'm sure he'll forgive me sometime.
What about that? His works van, he's busted. He's I have to say, I think he's done some damage to the fence as well, but we're not so worried about that. What's he going to tell his boss when he gets back? Mr. Eaton, the significance of this could be dramatic. Dibbs, as always, game for a laugh. He missed the ramp, kind of squiffed over the side of it, and right into a fence post. They will get the car off. I just don't know what he's going to say to his governor when he takes the dear little mini metro van back again. Additional damage to the front bumper now. But there he is. Dibbs, who will now do some rapid repair work in the pit area, I suspect. Put the windows back in and get that back to his boss's depot tonight without any further ado, I suspect. Meantime, our top team of technicians taking a look at the fence to assess the damage that he caused. Status and ability as well. The dear little thing wouldn't run again, but heck, that wasn't going to stop him trying to perform. Who has resorted to being helped out by another driver because our rapid response lightning unit. There he is, flat tyre. That'll be repaired and back at his governor's depot a little bit later on tonight. Give it up for him, he tried so very, very hard. There's Dibbs. You great nit. Whoops, didn't realise the microphone was still on. Okay.